Yes, I know what you're gonna say. Another black guy making videos on YouTube with no shirt on, with bad camera quality. Uh, you know what? Yes, bitch. It is another black guy, and not just any other black guy. It's who? Kevin2wokrayzee. Now, basically, videos that I make. Let me just tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a fun person. Most of the times I'm quiet, and people know I'm crazy, especially the ones who I associate myself with. Yeah, they know I'm stupid, man, and I've been wanting to put videos on YouTube for quite a while now, but sometimes it's like fucking, man, it might not go nowhere. Because when you look at persons who have videos up and you see 66 watches, you know what? Let me take that back, because I realize a lot of talk has been going around nowadays about the Illuminati. You know what I mean? And I don't know about 66. But anyways, say you see somebody with 100 views, man, you're like, shit, man, that's 100 views, and that's all they had. And then you look at the timeline when the video was posted, and was like, shit, that was a year ago. Ain't nobody gonna watch my shit. But I mean, man, hard work. You just have to be persistent and just keep doing what you're doing, man. 10 views, 1 view. As long as you have somebody out there that respect what you're doing, then I mean, do it. But anyways, I'm going off on a goddamn tangent. I just want to say I'm here to make funny videos, man. Whatever I do in my videos, it's not for people to take personal. But of course, you do have people that are gonna take it personally. I don't really give a fuck if you want to take it personally, man. I know why I do what I do. I feel like it's my purpose to really make people laugh. That's what I've been placed here to do. And since they say the world is going to end 2012, man, December 21st, might as well I do something. Thank God it wouldn't go in before my birthday. I'd have been mad as shit. Man. But yeah, the world's going to end according to the Mayans. The world is going to end December 21st. And I feel like if this was my purpose, I better do it this year, because I don't want to go where I'm going to go. I'm not heaven or hell, I don't know. I'm not God. I don't want to go where I'm going to go. And when my day of judgment come, when it's my time to stand in front of the Lord, and he says, Kevin, I noticed you didn't fulfill what I placed you on earth to do. What do I say to that? So I just want to make sure when he asks me, okay, I see you did what you were supposed to do. See you did some bad things too. You did oh my, you're gonna have. I'm sorry. I'm going off. But that's it, man. I have crazy ideas. I'm very creative. Everybody knows that. But for the person who I associate myself with, my friends, they know I'm creative, man. From day one. I used to do a lot of crazy shit in terms of clothes, and I used to make videos too, whatever. Anyways, man, I just want to say, support me, man. Make me famous. Fuck Coney, man. Coney don't want to be famous. That nigga already famous, goddamn. Coney alright, man. That nigga don't want to be famous. If he wanted to be famous, he'd have been doing interviews and shit. Make me famous. I want to be famous. Not too big, but big enough. Just big enough. Not big to the point where the fame drives me insane, but big to the point where Kevin2wokrayzee is a household name. That right. Anyways, man, just support me, man. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, I know the camera quality is not high def, but everybody has to start somewhere, and this is my start. I'm starting with a old ruggedy ass camera. Who knows? Maybe a couple years from now. Well, seeing that to say the world's gonna end. That may not be. But you who knows, man? A couple years from now, you can say I want to look back at this day and say, you know, this was my first YouTube video. I remember the raggedy ass camera I did it from and shit. You know what I mean? Everybody has to start somewhere. This is my start. You know, so I just wanna do this, man. Hey, start making that noise. Goddamn squeaky ass chair. Not even a chair. Anyways, just support me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Put my videos on blast. This is just my first, like, an introductory video, by the way. And let me say something, man. I try my best not to hate on people, you know, because that's how you defeat them. If you can't defeat a hater, don't fucking join them. That's the one group of people you don't want to join. You know what I mean? Just don't hate on them, man. And if you're gonna come to my fucking YouTube page talking bullshit, let me tell you something. Simple. No blood clot come over here, Sazine. And as you can see, are here. A Jamaica I come from. You know what I mean? I will bust head. Will bust your blood. Hey, I will bust head. Know that. You know what I mean? Yes. I know I don't have a shirt on. I know my ears are pierced. Whatever you gonna, I know I'm black. Whatever you gonna say, bitch. I know it already. I know it already. Fuck out of here. But really and truly, man, I have respect for everybody. I love everybody. You know, I'm just talking some random shit now. But back to me and YouTube and this whole YouTube shit. I just, you know, make it big, man. When you come to my channel, I just want to be that person that you say, oh shit, my day is going so fucked up. Let me get on YouTube and see what Kevin has posted, you know, and you get a good laugh, even for that 5-6 minutes, you know what I mean, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, however long the video might be, you know, you will be able to, like, forget about anything, like problems, stress, and just laugh. You know what I mean? Just take a breather. The world is a crazy place, man, and there's a lot of crazy shit that has been going on that I want to voice my opinions on, you know. A lot of crazy shit, man. I'm talking about that Coney shit, man. See that nigga right there? They talking about that, what's his name again? Anyways, the co-founder of the whole coding campaign, you know what I mean? They talking about that nigga was depressed and that's a breakdown. Bullshit, man. That's no breakdown. That's voodoo. Voodoo. You don't know voodoo when you see it, nigga? That's voodoo right there, man. Don't fuck with them Africans, boy. You know what I mean? You better respect them. You get that voodoo shit slapped across your face, man. Respect them. I love African people. I am of African descent. As you know, my forefathers came here to Jamaica through the Middle Passage. Yes, a nigga knows some history. Bitch! I've been going to school all these years to not know shit. You know, of course, man. I know my history. Yeah, man. Don't fess. That's voodoo. That ain't no breakdown and shit. Voodoo right there. Stop talking shit about Coney, man. He voodoo your ass. That nigga got a wizard, a motherfucking Obiaman, as we call him in Jamaica. You know what I mean? He got that, and he get your ass if you talk shit about him. And respect that nigga Coney. Hey Coney, my nigga, it's poppin', boy. I just want to say, man, you do. Nah, you're not the man. If you killing kids, you're not the man. But anyways, man, if you're doing wrongs, you're not the man. But you know, make me rich, boy. Get your wizard to, let me get that money so I can buy mama a house and papa too. But anyways, I'm crazy, man. I talk a lot of shit, you know. But I want you to know it's all love, no disrespect. And when I need you to, get serious, then I will say it. But till then, man, goddamn, this is a long ass video. Nigga, 10 minutes talking bullshit. Just just get to it, man. I don't want this to go past 12 minutes. I just want to say though, shouts out to everybody. You know, big up everybody when we know. You know, big up yourself, man. You know, so banks don't forget to know. Easy me, easy me. YFM all day, all day. You know what I mean? What else? Shouts out to everybody. Shouts out to all my Jamaican them. Then I yard ya and over foreign day. Foreign. That's what we call anywhere else other than Jamaica. If it's not local, a foreign. Let me tell you no more about that. Just watch my video then, you know what I mean? Shouts out to black people, white people, green people, aliens, monkeys, dogs, cats, cows, everybody, man. It's just all love. And remember, think it, believe it, and live to achieve it. That's the motto. That's the motto. What's the matter with you? Anyways, man, that's what I do. You know? So just go subscribe, man. Stick around. A lot more fun shit. A lot of happy videos, and so I'm doing this shit, you know. Boy, I do it. It's my big Sean. Right? I do it, boy. I do it. Yeah, I do it. Anyways, man, just subscribe, man. Stick around. Post this video on your friends' Facebook wall. Post my videos. Subscribe. I do not have a Facebook account for Kevin2wokrayzee's as yet. I only have one for myself, my personal, you know, Facebook account. If you want to hit me up, go ahead, man. But do not send me a friend request if you ain't gonna talk to me. Like, fuck off. Real talk. And we ain't. Ladies, I would really much prefer some women send me friend requests though. I mean, not saying niggas can't send me, but you know, I prefer women. You know how it goes. Yeah, man. So I don't have a Twitter yet. As you can see, this is my first video. This is like my first YouTube account since my last one, as I lost the password and all that shit. I'm just a multi-talented dude, man. I believe in myself, I believe in other people, and I believe in giving persons a chance to shine. You know what I mean? Make people do what they do, man. As long as you believe in yourself, just do it. Do it, man. Think it, believe it, then live to achieve it. You know what I mean? Love God. Let me tell you that. Keep yourselves out of trouble. You know what I mean? Just do it, man. If you feel like it's your time, everybody have that eureka moment in their life when it's like, you know what? I'm gonna do this. I don't give a shit what nobody else wanna say, and I feel like today was that moment for me here. I'm gonna do it, man. I'm gonna try to make a video for you every week. I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna say every week it's gonna happen, but you know, it's crazy, man. I'm still in school, so I gotta get that schoolwork done, do my schoolwork and shit. Cause you know, at the end of the day, a nigga want a good job. So just watch my video. I know the quality of the sound might not be 100, the video quality, but you know, I said this already, man. Everybody got to start somewhere. So just stick around, watch my videos, subscribe to my YouTube page, and just let's make history. Let's do it big, man. Let's do this. Team Kevin2wkrazyee. Adios, mi amigos. Remember, think it, believe it, then live to achieve it.